Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Onesixtyfourland, the only place where being small is appreciated. Today we have a Hot Wheels unboxing from Stop Diecast. They don't sponsor this post or anything. This is just where I buy my cases of Hot Wheels car culture because the odds of me finding what I want in store are generally slim. So to make sure that I get what I need, I order them ahead of time. So I have two of them, and I'm not sure which is the Ronin Run and which is the Auto Strass. So let's get started and see what we have today. Now I'm hoping that I get to pull a Chase, one of those black Chase cars. My buddy Johnny just got his from One Stop yesterday, and he sent me a text message picture with a really nice looking black Volvo and a really nice looking black Mazda RX-7, the Pandem kit. So we have, this looks like it's going to be the Ronin Run. So I'll just pull them out for you, go over them. So first one I grab here is the 98 Impreza 22B STI. I like this casting. The 22B only came in blue, so they're taking some artistic liberties and recoloring it in a multitude of different colors. So this orange is nice. Looks like it's got a carbon fiber look hood, and it's got those 10-spoke wheel riders, and not a bad looking car. It's got black side view mirrors, which are important, and the pink badges in the front. So anyway, looking good. So we probably get two of them, right? Okay, what's next? The Toyota Starlet, 81 Toyota Starlet KP61 in purple here with the work wheels. Graphics here. And the four spokes, the tiny little bronze four spokes. This is a cool car. This is the second release. The first one was the red version, right, in the Toyota series. So neat. Okay. Oh, okay. So if this is black, the next one I pull, then that's a good sign. But I don't think so. I have a bad feeling about it. So anyway, this is what happens sometimes when you order the cases. If you could see here, the blisters crack. Now I open mostly everything. However, I don't open the doubles, so I'm kind of fingers crossed that the other one is pretty well. Fingers crossed the other one's black. But regardless, this is a nice new casting here. It's the RX-7 SC. I'm sorry, FC. That's the body style, the chassis, right? The second generation RX-7, and it's got the tiny little six spokes here, which are neat. Pandem, which means it's the wide body, and it's got these four driving lights in there. And nice little over fenders. Great artwork here, if you could see, right? So, all right, let's see if okay. Whew. Another purple one. Oh, what's it gonna be? They've all fallen over. Biscuits. That's all right, though. You know what? That's fine. Anyway, so moving on. The Nissan 300ZX twin turbo here in the black six spokes are sharp. The front and rear tampos are nice. The color is great. When this car was first released, I always thought the taillight tampos were kind of a little too shrunken, right? Like they were thrown in the dryer, but it's looking good now, right? Little premium T-tops, and I like this car a lot. So the Super Treasure Hunt is really nice. It's got those chrome six spokes. So here we go. So we got another one here, of course. So we'll put this off to the side. And lastly, you have the FD RX-7 here, the final generation in this really nice blue. The gray five spokes, and it's got a blue chassis here. This is twinning, nice, like the license plate there. All right, this is probably my favorite of the group here. It's just a nice color. The only thing that would make this better is if it had tiny little side view mirrors, right? You know, they on the Hot Wheels on the boards there, I guess one of the upcoming cars, maybe it was the Chevy 454 SS, you know, Brendan was asked about the mirrors, or maybe he preemptively said, no, it's not coming with mirrors. It could have been the Fox body, whatever. Anyway, the mirrors really do make a difference. You know, it's like having ears, right? Like giving ears to your face there. So anyway, that's it for now. Right, here's the final one. It's just another one. So unfortunately, I did not pull the chase, but such is life. And stick around because I have the Autostrasse to open up next. So thanks for viewing. Thanks for stopping by Onesixtyfourland, and we'll see you soon.